What up, y'all? It's AG33, man. I'm cooling in the car. It's range day. My phone decided it was gonna update on me, so I'm waiting on it to turn on to see if it's time for me to slide up there, bro. But you know, I'm gonna keep y'all involved in the day, man. I'm do a range day, you know, go to the gym, vlog, and probably just talk shit with y'all, man. That's what I'm gonna do. I got my review coming soon of the Mental Jewels. I'm on that Kinetic right now. You already know, bro. And it's just crazy, like, bro, when I be taking the Mental Jewels with the Kinetic, look, if you not used to being like booted up, don't put them together. And then I also tried these this supplement called Genius Mushrooms I got off Amazon. It's got reishi, cordyceps, and lion's mane in it. So, you know, Kinetic got lion's mane in it too. So, you know, I'm just doubling up the dose on all of that. So, yeah, man. But put the Mental Jewels with the Kinetic if you really want to boost, bro. And look, I'm finna go to the range, bro. I'm finna be in there focused, bro. Like, it's almost annoying sitting here in this car waiting right now, because it's like I just want to go put the energy to use, bro. I'm about to turn up when it's time for me to slide, though. When my phone finished updating, man, finna get this music going. I'm finna turn up, get my mind right, man, because you know, this practice for war when we get up in that range. So, you know, I gotta make sure I got my mind together and make sure, you know, we going in there and actually doing what we need to do. I've been having some good days past couple days, so I've never heard of it. Yep. Hold on.
Perfect. Out of ammo. Perfect. 378. Woo, that was fast.
Dang, I had one more.
Check. Check my mag.
Right on that shoulder. Ah.